Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to the video. Today we are reviewing Poppy's hottest right in town spicy barbecue sauce. I picked this one up at one of my local markets here in Blowing Rock, North Carolina. This bottle cost me $6.99, so it's a pretty expensive bottle, but you do get a good amount of sauce. So we're just gonna hop right into this review. So I'm gonna take a little spoonful. Not too much. Cheers. Okay, my thoughts on this sauce. Really good barbecue flavor. Very sweet. A little tangy. A little savory. The heat behind it is just hot enough where you can enjoy the good flavors of the barbecue sauce and get the spice at the same time. This is a really good sauce. I could see myself cooking with it a lot. I could see myself making spicy barbecue chicken a lot. I could put this in some eggs and have some spicy barbecue eggs. If you're one of those extreme hotheads who like things extremely spicy, then this sauce isn't going to really be for you. But if you want a good tasting hot sauce that you could use for cooking, this is a good sauce. That for the first time ever on this channel, I am giving this sauce a perfect 10 out of 10. There is nothing to dislike about it in my opinion, and I will go back and get another bottle when this one runs out. So, thank you for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give it a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.